The IPO diagram is the second aspect of the defining and understanding the problem stage. This would be something that would be constructed after you've identified your objectives. It's also the first modelling tool, and it really gives the software developer a very good understanding of the structures that are going to be required for the system. It has three main parts. It has input, process and output. Inputs are generally your variables or constants that are generally inputted by the user. Processes is how those raw data inputs are then turned into information, and they could be stored or displayed, and that's generally your output. And any software solution would generally follow these three main processes. So the first thing we look at is the objectives that we looked at, and our first objective was to construct an application that calculates a user's biological age. So in order to calculate a user's biological age, there are a series of inputs that need to be included. And so I've done a little bit of research about this, and I've found that age is probably the first input that's required. The next one would be weight. Okay, after weight we would have height. We'd also have BMI, body mass index. We'd also have body fat percentage, and we'd also have blood pressure. Now all of these inputs are used to calculate a person's biological age, and that's what the process would be. So I'd write calculate a user's biological age. Now obviously I don't know the intrinsic elements of that process. It's a bit of a black box at the moment, but definitely when I do my data flow and my algorithms, that will be my main goal, is to try and find out how that calculation will look. My output would be a person's biological age. Okay, and also looking at the other objectives, there was also the ability to save. So using all of those, I might get the user to input their name as well, and save biological age in a data structure. Once again, I haven't chosen my data structure yet, but obviously when I get to that point of my algorithms or my data dictionary, that's something that I will use. Once again, the same output is biological age. So that's my example of my IPO. It's nice and simple. It shows me what are going to be my variables in the inputs. It shows me my two main processes that I need to be able to construct, and it also shows me what is the main output of my software solution. Thank you.